This is my power banks I was building. This, let me tell you how many percentage the battery is. This, as soon as I install, so we turn on this one, you see. When I turn on this one, it goes off. This is the design. This is my little plan, so you could see, you could have an idea. This is an idea of how I connect it. This is my charger. I just charge it. This, I buy this one off Amazon for almost $300. This is how I have inside of it. Yeah, I gotta change the wire. Yeah, I know it's a little bit complicated, but if I follow the plan, this, that thing there, you could buy it. Yeah, see? Yeah. This is my power banks I built myself. It's working. Yeah. This right here, so this is for the voltmeter. I connect it to the battery. This one here, so you can this is this to charge the battery. This is my power banks I was building. See this? You can actually see. Yeah, this is my power banks I was building. See those? A switch I installed myself, so you could actually see. This one here, see, I buy it off of Amazon, but I gotta get it fixed. Something wrong with it. Yeah. This is how I put it together. If you want to see, this is how I put it together. This is my power banks I was building. I think it's like over 100 watts. I think, I cannot remember. This will charge a laptop and any other thing. Yeah, I gotta install something to charge my laptop. Yeah, wait, will charge a laptop. This is the diagram. Yeah, let me show you. You see? See? My phone is charging. Yeah, you see, it's working.